Obviously, New York City and architecture, you put them together and it's just amazing. My name is Aynaz. I lived in Dubai and I'm a fourth-year student here at NYIT. I'm studying architecture. You know, you have to know a bit about the history, and then you have to know about construction, and then you have to have a passion for art. That's the beauty of architecture, really. You get to learn about a lot of things. The difference that NYIT has from other schools is we have a lot of professors that have offices within the city, and because it's convenient for them to come and teach here, you get to actually know a lot of people. So I'm working at a very small firm near Times Square right now. It's amazing, you know, I go to this place and they just look at my resume and they say, oh, so you know this program and this program, you must be from NYIT. They already know that we're good. It's just amazing. The atmosphere that the school creates here is that take on opportunities, don't just sit there and do what you're supposed to do, you know, do more. I left my parents when I was 17. I've been here ever since. I mean, I go visit my parents, but I never had them here living with me. I never had a family living here with me. I made my family here at NYIT. And honestly, it feels good. It feels good to achieve something on your own, that you can really stand up and tell yourself, I did this on my own, and I really made it happen for myself. It's a really great feeling.